All right, let's read Farm Babies. Let's look at your book. We're going to read Farm Babies. And that's Mr. Marco Man.
Marco Man.
Marco Man. You see her saying your name now, buddy.
And me.
All right, let's read Farm Babies.
Read
What does that
Farm
say?
Farm Baby.
And what's that?
Farm Baby.
No, this.
How?
A cow. Good job.
Every time.
What's that?
Daddy.
It's a kitty. Let's read this.
Cow.
Out in the pasture, the farmer feeds the baby cow. Okay.
Baby cow.
What is this?
Chicken poop.
It's a what? What is it?
And me.
At the chicken coop,
A chicken poop.
the farmer's
Chicken
wife.
poop.
Chicken poop. Okay. What's that?
Chicken poop.
No, what is that?
Chick.
It's a chick. Good job. Okay, what's this right here?
A dog.
What is it?
It's not right.
That's a flower.
That's not right.
That's a butterfly. Good job.
That's not right.
Yep, that's a butterfly. What's this though?
This a dodo.
It's a goat. Good job. And what's this?
A sheep.
It's a sheep. Good job.
And
And that's a lamb. Oh, you're so smart. And what's this?
a bird.
A bird. And that?
That's not right.
A butterfly. Okay, just for mommy, so because I don't think we understood you the first time. What's this?
It's what dog.
What is it?
A chicken poop.
It's a chicken coop?
That's chicken poop.
A chicken poop. Okay.
That's chicken poop.
I love you.
A sheep.
That's a sheep. And what's that?
And a dog.
A goat. And what's that?
And a
That's a lady.
habit.
What's this?
A cow.
A cow. What sound does the cow make?
Tell me.
Moo. Can you make a moo sound? No? Are we finished?
This is one.